Hi! If we've never met, my name is Grace, and I'm currently on a journey of learning to prioritize myself again after becoming a mom. Some days that look like finishing my morning matcha while it's still hot. And today, it takes the form of enjoying my favorite foods while sticking to the 75 hard challenge. So join me on a full day of eating and getting some movement in while balancing my life as a mom. Morning! It's really early, the sun's not even up yet, but I've already made it here because I scheduled a 7 a.m. with a friend. I find that's key in keeping yourself accountable to really early workout classes, and it's actually my third solid core class. Solid core is honestly one of the hardest workout classes I've ever done, but I remember feeling after my very first solid core class, I walked out of it half dead, but it made me so alive. It like rocked my world how hard it was, but I felt so alive being challenged to that degree, and it made me realize that that was something I did a ton before kids. That's what made me feel so alive, was putting myself in things I've never done before, trying new things and challenging myself so that I'm humbled and realize that something can happen every day out of the ordinary. At my core, I think that's what made me feel alive. After having kids, I did everything in my control to keep everything the same every day and under control, and maybe a little bit of that was postpartum, but also a lot of that is because having kids already puts you out of your comfort zone. Like every single day, every single moment. Something can happen with kids all the time that I just didn't have the energy outside of myself to try new things. But recently I've been feeling like I am ready for it again, to feel like myself, to challenge myself, put myself in situations that makes me uncomfortable, but also feel alive. This is my third class, and I'm actually really excited for it. So let's go.
Does anybody have anything fun planned for the weekend? No? Anybody? As press looks like. And then we also, if you're looking for something more, avoid the restack of your shoulders. Extension hold shoulders. Asking yourself, what more can I do? And then up to a slight micro bend. Now making sure your left foot's the one on the black side platform, right toe's the one at line 1. Serve you, left arm can come forward, and you lean closer into your right. So good! 15 seconds, modified oblique crunch on your left. 12 both. Yeah, the name of the game is struggling. It's hard. It's, of course.
需要拿很多啊，你等下回家还可以吃的。甜吗？草莓甜吗？
这个甜。
哦，地瓜也很甜。哦。I'm hungry, but I'm feeling dessert for breakfast today. I know. But I recently saw this recipe where you use tofu to make like a chocolate mousse kind of thing. It actually looked really thick and creamy. So we're gonna see if it works. If it works, that's gonna give me a lot of protein and keep me full for a long time. So let's see if it works. That's it. 要吃啊？ I'm so excited. Let's try this. So creamy. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Oh. That is so good. I can't even taste the tofu. It's just like sweet, heavenly, creamy deliciousness.
我还要妈妈。
Mousse.
妈妈，我还要。
Oh my goodness, that's so good. That's a freaking dessert, but with all the protein. Oh. There you go. Okay. 好。
没有鸡蛋。
爬进去。There you go. All right, let's go. 好，来。OK， 好，不要真的吃，不要真的吃。Why are these so huge? I gotta look for the small ones so they bake easy and bake. Oh, okay, this one's okay. So they bake faster in the air fryer. 来，地瓜。
我要那个。
那这个是豆腐的，你要哪一个？
我要这个，我要这个。
你要这个面面的。Alright, we'll try these two, okay? Yo, this is my absolute favorite, and it's on sale. But I'm pretty sure it has a lot of sugar in it. 你要吃啊? Yeah, there's sugar in it. So we're gonna walk away. We're gonna walk away. 你太大声了. Yes, yes. 好了. Okay, this is a tiny win, but we're just in the parking lot, and there was this Korean grandma who bought like literally 5 loads of rice, and I could tell she was like having trouble putting in her car. So I was like, oh, do you need help? And I've been learning a little bit of Korean recently. I've been like meeting with a Korean tutor once a week. I just know like very, very elementary conversational stuff, but she basically thanked me, and she was just speaking Korean. I think she just assumed that I was Korean, and she said, huh? She saw Ivy, who was screaming, and she was like, oh, 아기가 몇 살이야? And it took me like a good 5 seconds to be like, what did she just say? And I understood her, and quickly I was like, two 살이에요? And she understood me, and that just made me so happy. I know it's silly, and I know it's such a tiny victory, but it's things like that, you know, that makes me feel like, oh, my tiny little efforts every day are paying off. Dude, I feel like when the weather is nice, it makes such a big difference. Like my breathing's regulated, I'm not breathing as hard as I used to, and it feels so good to run right now. Like I think I could go on forever. Okay, I look crazy because I just got out of the shower after the run and dried my hair. We are going to do some sock curls. I've recently really gotten into sock curls. Hair actually was something that I loved to do. It was like a hobby before kids. I remember in college just like watching YouTube tutorials hours on end and trying different things with my hair. Recently, I've really gotten into sock curls, and the curls come out super voluminous. so good.
Make you see the pink with the. Wow, I like the car sound.
You do?
Mom, do you know? Yeah, Carolina's going for lights.
What the heck? Hi, Zoe.
And I was doing really good, but not my friends.
Oh.
Because they weren't paying attention. But I was paying attention. But my mom says I have to go.
Oh. 虾饺。 那个不是那个吗？Are you getting matcha latte? I didn't have matcha today. Not recommended. $9.5.
I got a durian thing.
No. I'm gonna fall asleep tonight. It's 0 sugar.
Let's see.
Ah, the tea is just so good. I feel alive.